Hi Boss Babes, so you've asked for it and we've listened. The BodyBoss workout videos are finally here. These workout videos are free for every online edition of the fitness guide. These demonstrations will accompany you through every push-up, burpee, squat throughout the full BodyBoss 12-week program. These workout videos allow you to concentrate more on creating that perfect form and less on the reps. So, they'll give you a countdown timer, scheduled and structured interval and breaks, and demonstrations along the way on how to create that perfect form. To find that body workout, go to your fitness guide by first of all logging in to bodyboss.com, scrolling down to the designated day, selecting the day, clicking on the top right hand corner the workout buddy video. Let's go. To access your workout buddy video, log into bodyboss.com and go to your ultimate body fitness guide. Scroll down to the day that you need to do, select that. In the top right hand corner is the workout buddy video. Let's go. To access the workout videos on your TV, you must have Apple TV. So connect to that to mirror display and go to your guide. Scroll down to the designated day. So scroll down to this, click the page, select the workout buddy video at the top of the page, and voila! Love this workout video? If so, go and log in to bodyboss.com for more full-length workout videos. Woo!